Today will make it exactly 8 days from the day we powered our plastic waste crushing and washing line. It's been an exciting experience. We've experienced leakages, we've experienced rusted plates, we've replaced bolts, we've tried to fix shaky parts, trying to make sure that the machine is efficient so that we can go back to export. If you don't know our story, in 2024, we shut down because we were spending about 600,000 naira daily on diesel in a place where we had our recycling facility in the element. We had to move to a place where there is constant power and a bigger space. It's been a wonderful experience since we moved in here. After 2 years of shutting down, we are finally back to business. We are producing pet flakes, at least, for now on the trial level of it, in a bid to make sure that the quality of the materials we produce is of very high quality, so that when we start exporting, our clients will be happy. And of course, that would also generate a lot of income. One thing about recycling is if your quality is bad, you would lose a lot of customers. But if your quality is good, the market is so big that you will not be able to meet up to the demand. Imagine a facility that was built with over $8 million, whose production is dependent on the materials you supply to them. It means your ability to make money is dependent on the quality and quantity of materials you are able to produce. So if you're able to produce 10 million tons in a month, there is a customer waiting to buy it. If you're able to produce 1 million tons in a month, there is a customer waiting to buy up your materials. And that is the beauty of waste recycling. In waste recycling, you don't look for customers. Customers are waiting for you. Whatever you produce, there is somebody waiting to buy it up from you. Irrespective of the quality, irrespective of the quantity, there is a market for it. However, the quality is what determines the amount of money you make for it. Like I always tell my students, the value you add to every waste is what determines the kind of money that you make from that waste. So if you want to make good money from waste, then you have to learn how to add good value. I've been teaching people waste recycling for over the past 4 years now, and it's been a wonderful experience. I'll continue to teach because I'm on the mission to teach 50,000 Africans how to convert plastic waste to cash. Plastic waste recycling is a lucrative business. If you are thinking about going into this business, I am your right plug. I'll teach you how to go into this business. I'll sell equipment for you. I'll also give you support material that you need, such as bags, weighing scale, whatever you need in waste recycling. We are your one-stop shop for everything that you need to start your waste recycling business. And irrespective of where you are in Africa, we can help you build your recycling facility, set it up, train your staff, whatever you need. As long as waste recycling business is concerned, I am your plug. I've been in this business since 2018. I've trained over 800 people across the world. Some of them have come from the UK, from the US to attend my training. And of course, I have online trainings that you can access from anywhere you live in the world. So if you want to go into the business of waste recycling, you're looking for somebody to teach you, or you're looking for somebody to build your recycling facility, or you're looking for someone who can bring in the equipment you need to set up your recycling facility, I am your plug. Whatever that has to do with waste recycling, be it nylon recycling, be it plastic recycling, be it aluminum can recycling, anything at all, as long as it has to do with waste recycling, I am your plug. Call us. Call 50 Recycling. We are your one-stop shop for anything that has to do with waste recycling business, right? One of my biggest strengths in this business is the multiple mistakes that I made when I started. When I started this business in 2018, I had no mentor. Nobody taught me. So I made a lot of mistakes, costly mistakes that cost me multiple millions of naira. And today, that has become my strength. When I teach people, I teach them the mistakes I made. I teach them how to avoid making the same mistakes when they get into this business. If you choose to do this thing yourself, of course, you will pay with your money because you will make the same mistakes I made. And those mistakes are costly. What if you don't have a backup? What if you don't have another source of raising capital? Then it becomes, a big problem for you. So I always tell people, if you want to go into this business, link up with somebody who has experience. You cannot find my knowledge in Google. You cannot find it on YouTube. You cannot find it anywhere, written anywhere, because my experience comes from the things I've done daily, the mistakes that I've done daily, the people that I've met, human behavior, the equipment, my experience with this equipment. Like I always advise people, I've used local equipment and I know the kind of experience I have with them. I have also used foreign equipment. I know the experience I have with them. I have imported these machines. I have constructed these machines. In fact, one of the things I'm doing now is to bring in foreigners who are coming to train Africans on how to build this equipment the proper way, so that we cannot continue to depend on foreign imported equipment. At this moment, I don't know anybody that can build a very good equipment, especially when it has to do with crushing machine. If you're interested in registering for our training, you are interested in building your own recycling facility, call the number on the screen. Bye guys, Bullion.